What's up, everybody? It's Friday evening, and I'm not at work. This video ain't about work. Well, it is, but not grading. I'm over here at my buddy Garrett Long's getting just dropped my truck off. I'm gonna steal one of his. I think he's got about 17 pickup trucks, so I think I'm just gonna pick which one I want and drive it home. But I brought this thing this evening so we could work on it tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to come over here and I got to put an injector in it. This thing's a 6.0 for anybody that don't know. I figured I might just video it as something different than that Greenway job. I've got about, I don't know, probably four videos worth of footage right now that I haven't edited. I just ain't really had time. I do it late at night and I just hadn't felt like it doing it. So yeah, I'll be doing this. And I'm not really a mechanic, but I am broke, so I gotta do it myself. My mom and dad have a shop, and he's got tools and all that stuff, everything I need over there. I actually put 2 injectors in this thing about 4 or 5 months ago, but for some reason another one went out, so I'm just I should replace them all, but I'm just trying to make it last, so yeah, we're gonna go find us a truck to drive. He's got some pretty nice trucks. I've already seen him within the last hour in 2 different trucks. So he really does have, like, I really don't know, probably 8 vehicles. And I hope he don't tell me to drive a crappy one. So I got this sweet Yukon, dude. It's probably like a, I don't know, 02, 03. It don't have a tag on it. He said don't drive it far. But I'm telling you, man, I might just leave my truck there and take this thing home. This thing is nice, boy. AC blows cold. Pretty cold. I mean, semi-cold, I guess. But yeah, we'll have to check this bad boy out. He said he was going to give me his blue truck whenever, I don't know, sometime. But yeah, I might just keep this thing. I might just take it home right now. Check this unit out, dude. This is his spare. I don't even know. Well, I mean, he's got 11 spares, but dude, this thing's nice. It ain't even got 200,000 on it. It's got 185 on it. For reference, my wife's car, it's a 07, I think. And it's got just rolled over 300 a few weeks ago. Dude, I might just trade hers for this one. This one's got nice wheels on it and everything. So I just got home. We went to my mom and dad's and played with the kids and stuff. I was gonna show you what Garrett hooked me up with. Check this unit out, dude. This thing is sweet. Yeah, he came and got that Yukon or whatever and left me this truck. So I just wanted to show y'all, man, this is a nice truck. But I'll pick y'all up in the morning when we're over there starting to tear my truck apart. So fixing to get started. It's Saturday morning now. I got my truck. Well, Garrett pulled it in here last night. And I think I said what was wrong with it. It's got a bad injector. I think I did, but I really can't remember. But this guy, his shop that I'm working at, Garrett, he's the 6.0 god. He knows everything about them. He's the man when it comes to fixing them. I don't know if he has a YouTube page or a Facebook page or anything like that, but it's Wicked Gears Garage, and I don't know if you can see the sticker. It's Wicked Gears in Stanley County, North Carolina. His name's Garrett Long. I think he's got a Facebook. If anybody needs anything around here, he's the man.
Yeah, I guess he's just ready to buy something. Which I couldn't. I mean, I couldn't go without having that truck.
I know. I'm the same way. I don't ever really go anywhere by myself, but if I need to, it's nice to have a truck. But I mean, that's my
thing. You don't
thing.
like this electrical stuff, electronic stuff? That makes life too easy.
Yeah, need to draw back my ribs a little bit. Make me struggle a little bit. Realize that I thought about using it.
I mean, it doesn't cost more to use it.
Well, I hope it don't cost me.
Oh, okay.
You do have to.
That's tight.
You just gotta give me grace, man. I don't use this kind of stuff. Always one bowling right in the back.
No, thank you.
That's the way I put on my one. It never fell off yet.
Did you unplug that harness for that one?
I did. It honestly didn't seem that plugged in. I already pushed it out with the ratchet.
Oh, okay.
Get a good view of that thing. Yeah, it really didn't seem like it was plugged in that good. So we got it done. Today is Sunday. I forgot to take a video of starting it up yesterday. I was just ready to get done with it and get home. So I was gonna get a video of it before it you know what it sounded like, but now as you can tell, I mean, POWERSTROKE, especially 6.0s, are real clanky anyway, but it sounds it's running good. So yep, going back to work tomorrow. So